Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear educators. I hope you all are taking great care of yourselves. I'm here with the fifth online lesson of class 7th social studies. Our today's topic is unit number 3, chapter number 1. So before starting our today's lesson, the material required is lead pencil, highlighter, ruler, blue pen, blue marker. You need your geography textbook along with your social studies notebook, and you also need your winter pack that has been provided by the educators. The topic we were discussing is unit number 3, weather and climate. In this unit, we were talking about chapter number 1, that is composition of atmosphere. The contents for today's video will be, we will talk about stratosphere and mesosphere. Then we will talk about the thermosphere and exosphere. Then we will complete our winter pack, and at the end we will do our notebook work. So students, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand about stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. We will talk about all these spheres of atmosphere. Okay, let's have a review of our previous lesson. We talk about the composition of atmosphere, as atmosphere is made up of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 1% of some gases like argon, helium, carbon dioxide. Then we talk about the layers of atmosphere. There were 5 main layers. The very first was troposphere. Then there comes stratosphere. Number 3, mesosphere. Number 4, thermosphere. And the number 5th was exosphere. And then in our previous lesson, we talked about the troposphere. That was the very first layer. Okay, students, now all of you open your geography textbooks at page number 55. Take out your lead pencils and prepare your page. Write down today's task. Mention the day and date. As we are reading unit number 3, chapter number 1, that is composition of atmosphere. Now today we will read the second layer of the atmosphere, that is stratosphere. The stratosphere extends from the top of the troposphere to the bottom of the mesosphere, and it contains the important ozone layer, which ranges in altitude between 15 and 35 kilometer. अब stratosphere कहाँ से start होता है? It starts from the top of the troposphere to the bottom of the mesosphere. इनके दरमियान में क्या है? Stratosphere है. And this layer contains the important ozone layer. And the height of that ozone layer is between 15 and 35 kilometers. Damage to this ozone layer would result in harmful radiations reaching us and causing disease. Means these ozone layers would absorb the UV radiations, harmful UV rays from the sun. And in the stratosphere, mostly the aeroplanes are found in the stratosphere. Next, we have the third layer, that is mesosphere. The top of the mesosphere ranges from 50 to 85 kilometer and is the layer wherein most of the meteors are found out. You can see these are the shooting stars, and these are found out in the mesosphere. All of you highlight these points on page number 55. These meteors entering the Earth's atmosphere are burnt before reaching the surface of the Earth, which would otherwise cause much damage on our planet Earth. Means ये जो meteors हैं, ये एटमॉस्फेयर में एंटर होते ही बर्न हो जाते हैं, जल जाते हैं और ये खत्म हो जाते हैं. इफ दिस विल नॉट बी हैपन विद देम, देन दे विल कॉज सो मच डैमेज ऑन आवर प्लैनेट अर्थ. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द फोर्थ लेयर, दैट इज थर्मोस्फीयर. The thermosphere extends from 85 km to the base of the exosphere at 690 km, and it contains ionospheres, a region where the atmosphere is ionized by incoming solar radiations. Now, what is ionosphere? That increases in thickness and moves closer to the earth during the day and rises at night. Next, we have a Kármán line. That is the border of the earth's atmosphere and the outer space. Means ये अर्थ के atmosphere से start होके outer space तक जो एक line है, that is the Kármán line. And it is located within the thermosphere at an altitude of 100 kilometers. इसकी height कितनी है? 100 kilometers. All of you highlight these all points on page number 56 of your books. Next, we have the fifth layer, that is exosphere. Exosphere is located directly above the thermosphere. Where the thermosphere ends, the next layer is started, that is exosphere. And it begins from about 690 km to 1000 km above the surface. It is the uppermost layer where the atmosphere thins out and merges with interplanetary space. Means ये last layer है atmosphere की सबसे ऊपर वाली लेयर है, दैट इज एक्सोस्फीयर, एंड इट विल देन मैच विद द स्पेस, ये साथ ही स्पेस, इसके बाद फौरन बाद स्पेस स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. Did you know the destruction of ozone layer has affected the level of gases and oxygen in the atmosphere? कि जितनी ओजोन लेयर की डिस्ट्रक्शन है इसने क्या, किस चीज को सबसे ज्यादा इफेक्ट किया है? Level of gases and oxygen in the atmosphere. It is increasing the level of global warming and climatic change. Now you all must heard or must have seen that whenever some scientists are exploring the space, तो वो क्या करते हैं, अपने साथ अपने ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर कैरी करके जाते हैं, बिकॉज एज दे विल गो अप, जितनी वो हाइट पे जाएंगे वहां जाके ऑक्सीजन की उतनी ही डेफिशिएंसी होगी. दैट इज व्हाई दे आर कैरिंग द ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स अलोंग विद देम टू breathe in the space. For exploring the space, they are mostly carrying the oxygen cylinders with them. All of you highlight these points on page number 56. Okay, next we have page number 68. Write down here today's task. We will talk about the unit summary. Composition of atmosphere. Atmosphere is a layer of gases, everybody knows, that surrounds planets. कौन सी gases होती हैं? Nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide, argon, helium. There are many layers of the atmosphere that surround the planet Earth. अर्थ को कितने ज्यादा जो है वो लेयर्स हैं जो इसको सराउंड करने, इसके इर्द गिर्द हैं, वो जो एटमॉस्फेयर के लेयर्स हैं. The different layers are troposphere, the very first layer. Then there comes the stratosphere, where aeroplanes are found out. Then the mesosphere, where meteors are burnt out. Then there is thermosphere, where we can find out the ionosphere and the Kármán line. And then there comes the exosphere, that is the last layer of the atmosphere, and where they are just matching the space. साथ ही उनकी स्पेस स्टार्ट हो जाती है. सो दिस इज द यूनिट समरी ऑन पेज नंबर 68 of your books. Okay, now all of you upon your page number 14 of winter pack, as we were doing question answers of unit number 3, chapter number 1, composition of atmosphere. Now we will do question number 5. Name the 5 layers of atmosphere and describe them. The answer is layers of atmosphere. The atmosphere consists the number of layers which differ in properties such as composition. Every layer has different composition, pressure and temperature. The 5 main layers are: number 1, troposphere, that ranges from 0 to 12 kilometer. Then the stratosphere, 12 to 50 kilometer. Number 3, mesosphere, that ranges from 50 to 80 kilometer. Number 4, thermosphere, that ranges from 80 to 700 kilometer. And then comes the outer layer, that is exosphere, 700 to 10,000 kilometers. Let's talk about troposphere. The lowest layer of Earth is known as troposphere. 3/4 of the atmosphere's mass resides within this layer, and this layer also develops the Earth's weather. The depth is 17 km at equator to 7 km at poles. Next is stratosphere. This layer extends from the top of the troposphere to the bottom of the mesosphere. This layer also contains ozone layer, ranges in altitude 15 km to 35 km. Then the mesosphere. The mesosphere ranges from 50 to 80 km. This layer protects us from meteors. Number 4, thermosphere. The thermosphere extends from 85 km to the base of the exosphere at 690 km, and it contains ionospheres. Number 5, exospheres. The exosphere is located directly above the thermosphere and begins from about 690 to 1000 km above the surface. Okay, students, now come to page number 14. We have question number 6. What is ionosphere? The answer is a region where the atmosphere is ionized by incoming solar radiation is ionosphere. It increases in thickness and moves closer to the earth during the day and rises at night. मतलब ये दिन के टाइम जो है वो अर्थ के बिल्कुल करीब हो जाती है, and then they rises at the night. Next we have question number 7. What is Kármán? The Kármán line is the border of the Earth's atmosphere and the outer space. कि ये अर्थ के एटमॉस्फेयर से लेके आउटर स्पेस तक का बॉर्डर है. Located within the thermosphere at an altitude of 100 kilometer. इसकी हाइट जो है वो 100 kilometers तक की है. Okay, next we have on page number 15, we have topic unit number 3, chapter number 1, composition of atmospheres worksheet. So all of you, first of all, fill these boxes. Here it contains your name, section and date. Question number 1. fill in the blanks. The very first is our Earth's atmosphere consists of the gas dash along with few other gases. सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सी गैस होती है? नाइट्रोजन. Number 2, damage of ozone layer would result in dash radiation. कौन सी radiations आएंगी? Ultraviolet radiations. Number 3, oxygen is used by us and most other organisms for respiration. Number 4, dash caused by solar ultraviolet radiation, solar wind and cosmic rays. Those are skin cancer. Number 5, stratosphere ranges in altitude between dash and dash kilometer. That is 50 and 80 kilometer. All of you complete this one, page number 15, fill in the blanks with your blue pen in a neat handwriting. Okay, next we have question number 2, mark T for true and F for false statement. Number 1, an atmosphere is the layer of gases. Yes, true. Number 2, our Earth's atmosphere is clearly dominated by nitrogen. True, because 78% nitrogen is present. Number 3, there are 6 layers of atmosphere. No, we have 5 layers. It's false. Number 4, the depth of troposphere is between 12 km at equator to 17 at the poles. No, this is false. Number 5, thermosphere is the uppermost layer. No, that is false. Next we have question number 3, choose the best options. Number 1, Allah has kept this wonderful balance of dash in Earth's atmosphere for all living things. Wonderful balance of gases. So all of you circle this one. C option is correct. Number 2, plants, algae and other vegetation also need carbon dioxide for making their food is called photosynthesis. B option is correct. Number 3, the atmosphere of Earth consists of different properties such as composition, pressure and temperature. So here is none of these. They have given you no option. Number 4, thermosphere has a dash of 100 km. The options are latitude, altitude, longitude or ozone layer. Thermosphere has an altitude. B option is correct. Number 5, exosphere ranges from dash to dash kilometers. They have given you options 70 till 1000, 250 to 1000, 690 till 1000 or 790 till 1000. So the answer is 690 till 1000. C option is correct. So all of you complete your page number 15 of your winter pack. Okay, now all of you open your social studies notebook. We are going to do our notebook work. First of all, prepare your index as we have done 3 index. Now today's the index is unit number 3, chapter number 1, composition of atmosphere. We will do question answers 5 till 7. So all of you write down and complete your index page. Now coming to next one page, prepare your pages, write down date, today's task, your topic, that is unit number 3, chapter number 1, composition of atmosphere. We will complete our question answers. Question number 5, name the 5 layers of atmosphere and describe them. So you have to give heading of layers of atmosphere. Then you will rewrite this one question by taking help from your winter packs, page number 14. So all of you write it in a very neat handwriting. First of all, you will give heading of layers of atmosphere, then 5 main layers, then the troposphere, then coming to the next one page. You will again mention today's task, your topic, and then you will complete the remaining answer, that is stratosphere. Then there comes mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere on your notebooks by taking help from your winter pack, page number 14. Okay, now come to next one page, prepare your page, write down today's task, your topic, then give heading of question answers. Now we will do question number 6, that is what is ionosphere. You have to rewrite this question by taking help of winter pack, page number 14. Next you will do question number 7, that is what is Kármán. In the same way you will rewrite these questions from the winter pack, page number 14 in a very neat handwriting. Okay students, that's all for today. Now is the time for task to do. You have to learn highlighted points of page number 55 and 56. Then you will learn question answers number 5 till 7 of unit number 3, chapter number 1. Okay students, now is the time for good manners. Here are some things to remember every day that are your etiquettes. Do not eat food offered by a stranger. किसी भी अजनबी इंसान से कोई भी चीज लेकर मत खाएं. Do not leave any needle or sharp object on a chair or bed. Always put it back where it belongs. Means कोई भी ऐसी sharp object किसी भी chair या bed पे गलती से भी ना रखें that it can harm someone. Always put it back after using, put it back to where it belongs. Then anything that you use at home should be replaced in its same place. Whenever you are going to use something that you have taken from your drawer or any shelf, then keep that thing back after using. So these are some journal etiquettes that you must adopt at your home. Okay students, I hope everybody understood today's lesson. Till the next lesson, take a great care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.